What's this?
Butterfly.
Yes. What number is that?
6.
Very good. This one.
2.
Very good.
Oh,
2. Very good.
Mom, purple.
Yes,
Purple.
purple. Purple.
Purple.
Very good. What letter is that? What letter?
A.
This one? Ay, the same. What's this?
B.
What's that?
This one.
Very good. This one.
M.
What's that? Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Very good. What's that?
B.
What's that?
Bird.
Very good.
One, two, three. One thing.
Okay. What's this?
Z.
What's that?
Water.
No, this one.
Sip.
Zipper.
Zipper.
Very good.
Mouth fruit.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, what's that?
L.
Very good.
Mommy, touch.
What? What's that? What number is that?
Blue.
No.
Red.
Very good. What number?
2.
No.
Duck.
What number is that? What number?
Monday.
Oh, wait. What number?
Monday.
What number?
Z.
Huh?
Z.
3. Very good. Oh, what's this? What number is that?
1.
Very good. How about this one?
5.
Very good. This one?
10.
Very good. This one?
D.
What's that?
0.
Very good. This one?
Rabbit.
What's that? Letter?
R.
Very good. This one? What's this?
K.
Very good. What's this?
Mabala.
Very good. What letter is that?
Ding, ding.
What letter is that?
X.
No?
Y.
No.
W.
No.
Y.
No. What letter?
W.
No.
X.
No.
Y.
No. What letter? What letter is that? V.
V. Mama. V.
V. Violin.
Violet.
Oh, wait, this one, huh? This one. What color is this? What color is this? What's this?
N.
Very good. This one, what's this? What's this?
X.
What's that?
Triple.
Very good.
What's
this? What's this? Lisa, please get Dede. What letter is this? What letter is this?
T.
Very good. Very
Very
good. What letter is this?
Drawing.
No.
Box.
No.
Box.
You jack in the box.
Box. Box.
What letter is that?
U.
No.
I.
No.
Mommy, I.
No, it's not I.
No, this
Come
one.
on. What letter is that?
D.
Very good. How about this one? Wow, nice. Look. This one is
Audrey,
nice.
look at this.
What's that?
Watermelon.
Very good.
What letter? What letter?
Number? What letter?
W.
Very good.
Mm.
What's this?
Finish.